They smile.
Okay, I'm smiling. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jason Yoder and this is my dad. I told you guys he was going to be back. We're about to take off on another adventure. We're going to head up to the Hoover Dam and Grand Canyon West. So if you want to see the last adventure we were on, just click on this link up here and let's do this. Alright, so we're in the Joshua Tree Parkway here in Arizona, and when we came through here last year, I thought this would be a really cool place if I ever got a drone to put one up. So real quickly, we're going to put it up. Not the best time of day to be flying a drone, it's broad daylight, but hey, not out here all that often. Arizona is a vast state. The landscape is constantly changing with elevation. After a few more hours of driving, I came to a revelation. Alright, so here's the interesting twist. I was just on a conference call for about the last 40 minutes, and in Kingman we should have got off I-40, but didn't. And we're in California, about an hour south of the Hoover Dam, so doesn't look like we're going to get a sunset image tonight because we should be arriving at the Hoover Dam right now. So yeah, looks like this might be not going to get a picture tonight, so we'll see what happens.
Here, it shows you what we did in Kingman.
Yeah, we were supposed to turn in Kingman on a different road, weren't we?
Yep.
So we'll just take this extra time on the road to enjoy the Mojave Desert and the sunset. We are in Nevada. We're getting closer. We're still an hour away. Okay, so in the chaos of getting all of our stuff out of the car and out of sight, left the keys, the room key in the car. There you go. You coming? Dad is on vacation, so he's staying in bed. Me, I'm excited to be in a new place. I scoped out a location on Google Maps I hope will give us an epic sunrise location to capture a pano over Lake Mead. Unfortunately, since I couldn't do any site surveys yesterday, trying to find a good place to take images, you know, really had to shoot in the dark, literally on this one. Every direction I can see now, power lines. So I really do have to find a way to integrate these power lines into the image as a subject. Otherwise, it's going to be an annoyance. So it's another challenge. These images at first look amazing until you look up close. One of the things I could not resolve in post-processing were the alignment of the power lines in these panos. Look closely. Either Lightroom was not able to align them when it merged the images, the power lines defied gravity by arcing up instead of down, or something else was wrong. So I kind of struggling here a little bit. My camera has two axes that can rotate, that can yaw. Both of them were loose. Well, one of them was loose, the other one I was actually using, and my camera kept turning in the dark and I couldn't figure out what's going on. So I got that fixed. And now I'm able to take panos again. But talk about frustrating. So as I'm taking these, behind me, you get some weird squeaky noises. I don't see anything moving. So something else I'm going to have to do here is to try and... Okay, there's definitely some animals out here. Oh, yeah, there's a bird. Okay, so anyhow, one of the things... One of the things I'm going to have to try and do is try and get some micro landscapes by using my zoom lens. There's an island out there. I'm going to try to get a good pano next because the sky's starting to get colorful behind it. Oh wow, there's another set of power lines. There are just noises everywhere out here. Okay, so yeah, anyhow, one more shot on this pano. So anyhow, I have to shoot between the sets of power lines. I mean, yeah, Hoover Dam's here, so you should expect power lines, but dang, they're everywhere. So I'm keeping my eye out on the hillside around me because bighorn sheep are in the area. And yeah, you know, that's one of the rewards here of going out and doing photography like this out here in nature, is that you just don't know what kind of a treat you're going to get. I'm just making sure none of those treats get too close to me without me knowing about it. A little bit of a change of plan here, since these power lines are pretty much dominating the landscape. We're going to get some stock images of these power lines with this beautiful sunrise we're having right now. I ended up having to use single frames instead of making panos because of the power lines. I did exercise some artistic freedom with the colors and managed to create some images that can be sold as stock. I think that's pretty much going to be it for the photography this morning. I'm still hoping that the mountains behind me light up. The sun just came above the horizon, but there's a big mountain in our way, so I don't know how much longer it's going to take. So anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. Now, I'm still on this father-son trip, except Dad is still in the hotel sleeping away. So tune in for the next episode to see where our adventure takes us next. Remember to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell, and I'd also appreciate a thumbs up and a comment on this video. Take care, everybody, and remember, never stop exploring.